Couple days everyone, I came with a perfect video because I have 10% discount code on this video. I have 20% discount code on this video. I have crazy news about AI video, and I have a secret gift somewhere in this video. So definitely hit subscribe for free things, discount codes, helpful knowledge about cinematography, color grading, and photography. Let's start from the crazy news about AI. Higgsfield is in Davinci Resolve natively. Yep, couple weeks ago Higgsfield made a big step and they added their AI software inside Davinci Resolve and Adobe programs. They integrated natively working AI models, which is the best programs on this business. Davinci Resolve is #1 for color grading, no rival in this business. Photoshop is #1 on photo editing, and Premiere Pro, After Effects, Figma are the other most known edit programs in this sector. And now the most powerful AI model provider, Higgsfield, is inside those programs. You can make AI creation in your editing software. No leaving your editing, no downloading, no importing. Higgsfield eliminated that time-losing and spending process. Now it's natively will work on your workflow. Okay, let's jump to our first discount code. As you know, I am using Davinci Resolve on my color grading, and my main plugin is definitely Dehancer. I got many videos about Dehancer, you can check on my profile, and I got 10% discount code to use on Dehancer website. As I always suggest, go get try at least 1 month this plugin and got experience is it available or not available for you, but I am guarantee you're gonna definitely love Dehancer on Davinci Resolve. And our second discount code is from DxO. If you don't know DxO or Nik collection, you're probably missing something about photo color grading. If you're watching my videos, I said something about photo color grading a couple video ago. After you get used to color grade in Davinci Resolve and you go back to Lightroom, it feels like shit because there's too much limitation in Lightroom. Yes, exactly. I hate this lack of effects in Photoshop and Lightroom. While I am color grading my photos, DxO and Nik collection is solving this big problem for me. And I got 20% discount code from DxO and Nik collection. You can use my discount code on every DxO product. And don't forget, this code is expiring on 10th of July. My favorite in Nik collection is color effects model because it has the mighty effects I love, which is like halation, grain, bloom, and film damage. It's lovely to use. Definitely check it. As I told the beginning, the great thing is happening about me, my works, and my channel. So definitely hit subscribe and keep waiting because I'm gonna share more about this business, and see you on the next video. Have a colorful days for everyone. Okay, if you are still here, my friend, I got a gift for you. I have left a free DCTL on the description. Go to the bottom, you will find download link, and it's about color density DCTL. I am using this DCTL almost every of my color grading. It's a great DCTL, so subscribe and wait for more.